Hello guys, and welcome back. And this will be a quick video, just kind of an introduction to laying a cork roadbed. The product I'm using is made by Midwest, and when you buy it, it comes in a box of 25, and each of these strips here are 36 inches long. Let me get that in frame. So when you buy it, it's kind of perforated like that, so you have these seams here. So what you do is you just pull the two pieces apart. So I can do this with one hand here. So ultimately what you want to do after you get them apart is you want to, if you look at them from this end here, you can see that this side here is turned down. Okay, so that's kind of going to be the shoulder of your roadbed, and the other side is similar, it's just flipped upside down where my thumb's at there. So what you want to do is you want to flip both of those pieces there where the square edges for both pieces meet. So what you have, I don't know if I can hold it still here, your roadbed will look kind of like that. It's kind of hard for me to hold it with one hand, but as you can see on the left and the right sides, you got the edges that are turned down to kind of simulate the shoulder of a roadbed. So what I've done here is I've gone in and again, you know, with my center lines marked here, I went ahead and I just started at this end, and I'm only laying half right now. I bought these little push pins at Hobby Store. I got about 250. I recommend using those if you're using extruded foam. So yeah, I just as you can see, I had to tighten up the pins a little bit, because when you get in a little bit tighter radius, the cork has a tendency, it wants to rise up a little bit, so you have to make sure you got it good and tacked down. But what I do is I use this this Elmer's wood glue max here, and I just lay a bead of a bead of glue down, and then what I do is I come in with my little foam brush here. You can see it's been through a couple of battles, it looks like. But what I do is I take it and I just, I kind of spread it out nice and smooth, and then I'll lay the piece down in place. Now like here, for example, this is actually a joint right here. This is where one piece meets another piece. So I don't want to start the end of my next piece of cork right there. I want to overlap it. I want it to be staggered. What that does is that kind of shores up the joints a little bit. So I'll probably start this piece about midway through and glue it down, pin it down. Then after I get everything glued and pinned down, then I'll come back with this little drywall, or excuse me, wallpaper roller, and I'll just kind of roll over the top to get out any air bubbles and everything. So yeah, that Elmer's glue sets up pretty relatively quick anyway. So, and it's enough to keep it down. I know some people use like liquid nails and some type of caulk adhesive, latex caulk adhesive, which that's fine too, but this stuff here will hold it down just fine. So yeah, that's what we got going, and when I get to the turnouts, I'll probably shoot another video and show you how to do that. So we will see you in that video. Thanks for watching, guys.